now we have Miss Sunaina Chandar with us. And Sunaina, first off, how is the convention going for you?
Thanks, Shrishti. Well, the convention is going really nice because you're meeting different kind of people, which helps you in networking and building up this agenda, this topic to a next level. Because everyone is here to discuss about diversity and inclusion. So I'm really looking forward to the convention and having a wonderful time here with many people.
Great, we same here. And also now, what do you think are the benefits of diversity and inclusion?
Yeah, I think there are various benefits of diversity and inclusion. In terms of being an individual, when you have to work with a diverse group of people, it gives you calmness, it gives you more adaptability to the working environment. You become more and more peaceful within your own self, not being judgmental, and it helps you also to be how inclusive with other people who comes from various walks of life, which helps, I think, the organizations to enhance productivity, to achieve higher goals, and to see how the company vision is going forward by working with a diverse group of people. And I look forward to working with various diverse group of people and learning to be more and more inclusive as an individual as well.
Thank you so much.